Hello everyone, welcome to InfoBucket. This video is all about a cruise trip from Stockholm to Helsinki. I'll show you how the Baltic Queen looks like and what all amenities do we get on a cruise, and also some glimpse of Helsinki trip. So keep watching. You can see fashion store, duty-free shops and restaurants at the entrance of a cruise, and such warm welcome and lots of entertainment sections. Here we are saying hi to you. In this video, I'll also show you how we booked the cruise from Stockholm. This is the children's play area which kept my baby quite occupied. We visited Helsinki in the end of December and we got to see the Helsinki Christmas market at Senate Square. This is the frozen Baltic Sea. It was -7. Generally from December to February, the Baltic Sea freezes solid in Helsinki. So this is the site from where you can book your cruise to Tallinn or Helsinki. They have a mobile app as well called Tallink and Silja Line. If you are a Club 1 member, then you'll get good discounts. This cafe, named as Helsinki Ollus, has one of the best view of Senate Square and the public sauna of Helsinki. We had a great time relaxing, gossiping, and of course enjoying the scenic beauty with a cup of hot chocolate and some snacks. This is the restaurant where we had our lunch. Shrimp scampi, a must try. Here comes the night view of the frozen Baltic Sea. Time to say goodbye to Helsinki and come, let's enjoy the other entertainment sections of the cruise. The karaoke, live music,
You are you are always.
Mycket jättebra, jättebra. The last song for this evening, the grande final. Illa om evening basic.
And 2 nights on the cruise ended with this dinner.